Who is the author of the book Heart Lamp, which has received the International Booker Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Banu Mastaq, who has recently been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India. Right answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Which team won the 2025 ICC World Test Championship? Right answer is option D, South Africa. Where is the Waves World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit 2025 being held? Right answer is option B, Mumbai. Who has received the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? Right answer is option C, 12th fail. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Right answer is option B, China. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option A, TCA Kalyani. Who won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Hampi in the finals? Right answer is option A, Divya Deshmukh. Who won the 2025 Durand Cup title? Right answer is option C, Northeast United Football Club. Which country ranked first in the recently released Global Terrorism Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Burkina Faso. Which state or union territory hosted the 38th National Games 2025? Right answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which ISRO chief has been honored with the J.P. Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Right answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Which state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Which Indian state will host the FIDE Chess World Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, Goa. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Right answer is option B, Netherlands. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option D, Sri Lanka. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 players. What is the name of the military operation launched by India to attack terrorist bases in Pakistan? Right answer is option C, Operation Sindoor. Who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Right answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Who was appointed as the CEO of UIDAI in January 2025? Right answer is option A, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Right answer is option D, Sonali Misra. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 10th rank. Who has been recently appointed as the new chairman of UPSC? Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Which state government has established the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which country has officially joined the BRICS as a full member in January 2025? Right answer is option B, Indonesia. Where was India's first ever high altitude climate research station inaugurated? Right answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court? Right answer is option C, Vibhu Bakru. Which Indian state has the highest GDP collection in 2025? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who has been reappointed as a director of CBI till May 2026? Right answer is option A, Praveen Sood. In which city Mahakumbh has been organized in 2025? Right answer is option D, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Who won the World Food Prize 2025 for her pioneering work in biological nitrogen fixation and sustainable agriculture? Right answer is option C, Dr. Marangela Hungria. Which will become the world's first city to run completely on renewable energy? Right answer is option A, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which operation was launched by India after a powerful earthquake struck the neighboring country? Right answer is option B, Operation Brahma. Frederick Merz has become the new chancellor of which country? Right answer is option D, Germany. Which Indian city hosted the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Rajgir, Bihar. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Right answer is option A, Lisbon. The joint military exercise Equivarine is held between India and which country? Right answer is option B, Maldives. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center being established? Right answer is option D, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of National Legal Services Authority? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant. Which year has been selected as the year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Right answer is option A, 2025. Who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option B, Dinesh Maheshwari. Which city of Assam will be upgraded to a fully fledged city and serve as the second capital? Right answer is option D, Dibrugarh. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environmental Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 people. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which space organization will launch Lexi mission to study Earth's magnetic cover from the moon? Right answer is option B, NASA. Who has been appointed as the first woman law secretary in March 2025? Right answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Right answer is option D, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Right answer is option C, India. Which team has recently won the 15th Hockey India Senior Women National Championship 2025? Right answer is option D, Jharkhand. Who won the Pen Translates Award for the Once Elephants Lived Here? Right answer is option A, Gitanjali Sri. Which state won the 78th edition of Santosh Trophy National Football Championship title? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Which country will host the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, South Africa. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option D, 139 individuals. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Right answer is option A, Sikkim. Who topped the 2025 Khelo India Winter Games medal tally? Right answer is option B, Indian Army. The Khichen and Minar wetlands are located in which state that has been recently included in the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option C, Rajasthan. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Right answer is option D, Los Angeles, USA. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Which country will host the BRICS summit in 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Who won the men's singles title in the Wimbledon Open 2025? Right answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Banu Mastak. Which city has recently been nominated by the Government of India as UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? Right answer is option A, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Where was the 2025 World Government Summit held? Right answer is option C, Dubai, UAE. Where has the world's largest white hydrogen reservoir been found? Right answer is option B, France. Which country has recently become the world's second largest tea exporter? Right answer is option D, India. How many districts will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in 2025 to 26? Right answer is option A, 100. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Right answer is option C, both A and B, IRCTC and IRFC. What is India's rank in the 2025 Energy Transition Index reached by the World Economic Forum? Right answer is option B, 71st rank. Who has been appointed as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025? Right answer is option D, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsyayan. Who won the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Right answer is option A, Manipur. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. Where was world's first energy transition park has been recently inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Telangana. Which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 2026? Right answer is option D, Bulgaria. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option A, Masaki Kashiwara. Which country topped the medal tally of Asian Para Archery Championship 2025? Right answer is option C, China. Who is the Chief Economic Advisor of India whose term has been extended till March 2027? Right answer is option B, V. Anantha Nageswaran. Who won the prestigious Food Planet Prize 2025 for its innovative green fertilizer technology? Right answer is option D, Nitro-capped, Sweden. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? Right answer is option A, Mumbai. Which state has won the 2024 to 25 Vijay Hazare Trophy title? Right answer is option C, Karnataka. Which state will establish India's first artificial intelligence university? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which country has won the UEFA Nations League title in 2025? Right answer is option D, Portugal. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? Right answer is option A, IISc Bangalore. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Right answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Which country has recently announced to adopt green cryptocurrency to boost the economy? Right answer is option B, Bhutan. The National Maritime Games 2025 were recently held at which location? Right answer is option B, Navi Mumbai. Where was the COP15 of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands held? Right answer is option A, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Right answer is option C, 99th rank. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, Canada. Which city will host the 5th Asian Youth Para Games in 2025? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bangalore. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 118th rank. Who has been awarded the Lifetime Achievement Award 2025 by the United Kingdom government? Right answer is option D, Chiranjeevi. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option A, MS Dhoni. Where was the United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, France. Where was the first international conference on glaciers preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which district has become India's first fully solar power district in May 2025? Right answer is option D, Diu. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital recently? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.